pickled banana peppers for sandwiches, salads, pizza, nachos. They're mild. Who's helping me today?
Me.
Who's me?
Rebecca.
We have Rebecca from Rebecca's cooking show on our son's channel, Farm Film Productions.
Hey, it's Becca from Becca's Cooking Show, and I'm just having so much fun with these peppers. I'm helping Mom pickle them. And if you haven't seen my show before, well, on Farm Film Production, we'll leave a link below on the description. Hope to see you there.
And then the rest of the girls are gonna help her make the brine and pack them in the fridge. These are just refrigerator pickled banana peppers. Gotta take all the seeds out.
Hey guys, today we are making the brine for Mom's banana peppers. And we want to show you how we did it. So I'll come over here. I'll pour 4 cups of white vinegar. And tell me what it is.
When?
Or a little bit more actually.
What
was that?
A little bit. That's about getting perfect.
Yeah, 4 cups of white vinegar. Oh.
That's a cup wasted.
That was not, this thing doesn't pour good. This did not work good. I'm going to need this. I got it all down there. Oh well. Okay. Next.
1 1/3 cup white sugar.
Could you do that?
I'm going to pour these. Okay, that's it.
Now.
And now we need 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. So this one needs mustard seed.
Okay.
We need 1 teaspoon of this.
That look about it? Compared to all that sugar, that looks like a really tiny bit.
Okay, I'm ready to celery.
Okay, you go ahead.
1 teaspoon celery now.
Do we have 1 teaspoon? Or? Oh yeah, fine. It did look like that much in the jar when you tilted it. That looks good. Just pour it in. It all floats. Okay, next. Now we're going to bring this to a roll and boil, and we'll talk to you then when we get packing peppers. So now I'm going to wash this jar for the banana peppers with hot soapy water. Speaking of banana peppers, how's the brine coming, Hannah?
Good.
Okay. Good.
Not boiling yet. Now this is boiling.
Yeah, let's take it over. Should I do it, Hannah? Okay, so now we're going to start packing the peppers, but since this is a batch for Grandma and she likes it a bit more spicy, we've decided to add our homegrown cayenne peppers to the batch. I'm going to be packing peppers. Hannah, can you start cutting these up?
Yep.
Thank you. Ah. How's that? Should What's that? Should I put some more in these? How about, should I do 2? Now, how much? Ooh, I could get a whole lot more in there.
Yeah, you don't want me to look at these. That's good.
Should I put more? How full should I put it?
All the way.
Here? Oh, we'll do that.
Now it's time to put the brine and the peppers.
How full do we have to fill this?
All the way to this line.
We got some scooping to do.
Now, we're gonna take this ladle out. Or no, the funnel. Screw the lid on.
Ladle so everything.
You think?
Alright.
Now we're gonna leave it. We're gonna let it cool down and leave it in the fridge for 2 weeks until it's done, and then you can eat it.
Thanks for watching the Thunder Mountain Homestead Pickled Banana Peppers video. If you like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you can be notified of more videos to come. And if you're interested in the recipe, we are putting the recipe in the description below.